So today on Tech Crazy, we're unboxing my brand new case, the Corsair 230T. Alright, unboxing this bad boy. All I know is it's orange. It's got two fans in the front, one in the back, some USB ports. We'll see. Oh, it looks so pretty already. Knife down. Nice solid styrofoam. Oh, it's so beautiful. Alright, I have to slide it out. Ooh, that's nice. Super light without anything in it. Instruction manual. Don't need that. So, Corsair's 230T. We got a nice front open window here. Room for 7 slots. Fans in the back and front. 3 5.2 inch bays. Power reset. USB 3. Front audio. Lots of radiator mounting room up top. Alright.
It's small.
Yep. A little bit smaller than my case that I have now, but I really don't care. It looks better. Okay, so one side screw. And I do know you go forward. There's a nice side panel. Quite strong. What do we have? My first look at this thing. Okay. Well, so we got room for a power supply. We have room for 120, 140 fans there. We already have a fan on the back. I think it's a 120. Room for 120s, 140s up top. Or 3 bays there. We got 4 slots for SSDs here. And another 4 slots for regular hard drives. All our cables are mounted. We do have room behind the other panel here for cable management. There is no room for an SSD on the back side, but that is okay because we have the 4 other slots for SSDs. I guess it really comes down to, we'll see how much I like this case once I put all my components into it in an upcoming video.